Fix Event ID 8193, Volume Shadow Copy Service Error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 2. Allow permissions for diagram. Open the registry editor and navigate to the following path. Right-click on the diagram key and select Permissions. Under Permissions, allow full control and click on OK to save the changes. Close the registry editor and check if the issue is gone. Method 3. Check for services. Method 4. Use System Restore.